All right, take number 8 on an intro. How's everybody doing? Danny Schaefer back with another hiking video, first one of 2019. We're up here actually on Scotchman Peak. We've already made it up here in North Idaho. It's about a 7.6 mile hike straight up, kind of a butt kicker, and it is cold out here.
It's fucking cold.
We got Tessa with me, and yeah, we're about ready to head back down. But just want to do a quick intro, give you guys the scoop. For more information on the hike, check down in the description. I'll include it all later. Yeah, we're about to get out of here because it is cold. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, so we're probably about 2/3 of the way up or so, maybe a little bit under, but breeze is starting to pick up a little bit and the clouds are really coming in, so we're hoping that it's clear on top and they'll be able to have at least the view going down, but no guarantees. This hike's a butt kicker, so probably walk a couple 100 yards, take a break, repeat, but been a good hike so far, and see you at the top. view. Man, holy smokes. All right, we made it to the top. How you doing? Cold? I know. Beautiful June day. We just made it to the top of Scotchman Peak, and as you can see, beautiful sunny day. You can see for miles all the way around us. Actually, down there you got a nice view of Lake Pend Oreille, as well as the mountains. You can even see Schweitzer and everything from right up here. Really, really great day. About probably 2/3 of the way up, we started walking into the clouds, and yeah, we kind of had a feeling we might get clouded in, but we had to make it to the top, and we did. It was probably, what, a half mile back down there, we ran into a family. It was a kid. It was a mom and 2 kids, and the kids stopped us, and what did he say?
In my experience.
In my experience.
It's not worth going to the top.
Not worth going to the top. So we almost should have just took his advice and turned around. But first 2/3 of the hike was awesome, and it's still really nice up here, but just a little bit clouded in. Do have a little bit of a view of a goat right here. That's about the highlight of the top right here. So we're probably just gonna have some snacks and then just get ready to head back. So yeah, see you guys at the bottom. Okay, so we just made it back down to the truck. How long did it take us?
4 hours and 43 minutes.
4 hours, 43 minutes. And that was with like stopping for probably 30 minutes between breaks and so yeah, just under 5 hours. So it really wasn't too bad. I think we made it down in about an hour and a half, because we even ran at some point. So just to get down, it started raining on us, and it kept pretty fogged in probably for at least 1/3 of the way down from the top. But good hike overall, and we're probably gonna get some burgers and some brews and call it an afternoon, call it an evening, head back. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one. Keep going, don't stop, don't stop. Ha ha.